Let's talk about this gorgeous but very underrated and low maintenance flowering plant, Mussaenda, today. They bloom throughout summers and monsoon and they come in various colors, but I have its peach and red variety flowers. Let's talk about this plant in detail today. Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. Mussaenda is known by various other names like red flatbush, tropical dogwood, and Ashanti blood. It's an evergreen shrub and comes in various colors like red, white, yellow, and pinkish peach color. And I have this plant in red and pinkish peach color. You might have seen this plant in parks and other places also. It's an easy to grow and low maintenance plant, and this looks stunning when blooms profusely. And the flowers remains for several days. The flowers have velvety texture and they look quite delicate. The plant blooms from spring till late monsoon and goes dormant in winters. It's a fast growing bush and it can grow up to 6 to 12 feet. The only problem I have seen with this plant so far is the pest attack with mealybug, especially in winters when the plant is in dormancy. It can be grown in pots and containers as well. Just remember to water it every day as it loves lots of moisture in soil. If it's underwatered, leaves will get droopy and irregular watering can dry up its stems very easily. It's not a heavy feeder, it blooms well even if you don't fertilize it regularly. It just needs two things to grow well, which is direct sunlight and good watering. It needs at least 3 to 4 hours of direct sunlight for flowering. If the plant is not getting enough sunlight, it will only produce foliage but no flowers. The plant can be easily grown by its stem cutting. All you need to do is take a semi-wood cutting with at least 3 to 4 nodes on it and insert the cutting in soil. Keep the soil moist always, and for better results, do it in monsoon. I hope you liked today's video. This plant can be easily found in any nurseries as its season has started. If you don't get it in nurseries, I will share a few buying links. You can get it online. That's all for today, and I will come up soon with one more interesting video. See you.